Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat 2. I really want to take you guys on a little journey with me. I am on a 90-day challenge and still looking for a few more of you to join in with me because this 90-day challenge is basically a hair growth challenge, but there are a few things that are going to be involved with the hair growth challenge. One, basically, caring for your hair, low manipulation, using the right products, 5 products for the whole 90 days, and also good nutrition and exercise. So I am going to take y'all with me to the gym because whether you realize it or not, exercise is very good for your overall health, and it's good for your hair. If you're getting that heart rate up and you're exercising, you're working out, basically all those nutrients and minerals, everything is getting to the surface of the scalp and nourishing the hair follicles. So stay tuned and join me for this little trip that we're going to take to the gym. And I actually am going to be using my cell phone, so bear with the camera. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to get started. I can get this started. This is actually the machine here that I'm going to be jogging off of. Here's the treadmill. Here I am. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. It's not that much lighting in here. Okay, so start. Here I go, jogging. Two calories so far. By the way, if you really want good nutrients and vitamins to your hair, exercise is the best thing. We'll talk about that later. Here I am running. Sorry about the camera, y'all. I honestly think it's time to stop because I've already jogged a mile, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the weights. I have picked up a lot of weight, and I need to get it off. So I'm on my phone. Here I am. Let's fix this hair of mine. Oh man. All right, y'all. Here's this machine that I'm gonna use. This is actually for your chest and your shoulders. So let's see if I can do it. And I'm gonna have my son just come around and hold the phone. I need you to come around for me. Hold the phone. Just hold it. Just hold it just like that. Just hold it. Hold it. Don't move. I want y'all to see me do 1. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Woo. That's only 10 pounds. Nope. Keep it. 3, 4. I'm gonna do 8, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. All right. Good job, son. All right, now, let's see, here's another machine right here.
Just today.
You know, when you don't exercise and you're a homebody for a little minute, you will gain weight. So, yeah, that's okay. I got it. All right, this is what I'm going to do right here. Can y'all see me? My legs here. Hello.
Hello.
All right, watch it, son. All right, here we go. This is actually, hold on, let me show you what it's on, and I'm not going to be doing 150. That's too much. So I'm gonna put it on. Leave it on 10. So here we go. All right, watch it, son. 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 2 more. 9. Watch it. 10. All right, all done. What a job. You know, exercise is really good for you, I tell you. But, you know, if you don't get out and exercise, give me a second, son, you stand a chance of gaining a lot of weight. And not only that, you know, you don't feel good about yourself if you're packing on the pounds. So I put on a lot, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm gonna get it out. I'm gonna get this weight off. I'm gonna get it off. And it's actually good for your hair too, because, you know, blood circulation and everything. Go home and massage the scalp. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right with you when I get home. All right, welcome back from my trip. Joining me at the gym. That was pretty good. I'm trying to get this weight off. I've picked up a few pounds, about 15 pounds. So I'm looking for a few of you guys to join in with me because, you know, many of us are not very motivated to do certain things. So this hair care challenge, 90-day, is gonna, you know, be an enlightenment for you all. You know, I want to push for y'all to join me because, you know, we're gonna try to set some goals not only for our hair, but to lose weight, to eat healthy. And at the end of the 90 days, I honestly believe that many of us are going to feel a lot better. So that was fun. That was fun. And if you're interested in joining me, please send me an email or just leave a comment that you want to join me on this 90-day hair growth challenge, which is involving, you know, as again I was saying earlier, really good hair care practices, good products, at least 5 the whole time. You can alternate, you know, so, and also using low manipulation. You don't want too much manipulation on your hair while you're doing this hair growth challenge. So right now my hair is in 20 twists, not 20, is it 20? No, I'm sorry, it was in 20 twists, 10 twists, and I got it pinned up in 2 ponytails. So I am washing my hair once a week, either a co-wash or, you know, a shampoo or shampoo bar, whatever you guys want to do. You can do that. So I am going to be putting together a regimen for the 90-day. I'm just trying to get everything together. I still have yet to put out the aloe vera water that I am using as a leave-in conditioner, along with the Semi-Grow leave-in conditioner. So I have all my products in line. I want to encourage you to find the 5 staple products that you like. Get those staple products, 5 of them. Join me on this 90-day challenge, because this 90-day challenge is going to benefit you. And again, a part of it is good nutrition, going out to the gym or going for a walk, getting some exercise in. Trust me, you're going to feel better about yourself. You're going to feel good, and your hair is going to feel good and look good at the end of the 90 day. So if you're in with me, thumbs up, send me a smiley face. You know, send me a comment if you are going to join in with me. I need more people. Come on, we got to pump each other up. Let's do this 90-day challenge. So again, until next time. Oh, also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. You'll get every notification if you hit that bell. So stay tuned for the next video. And as I always say, be natural, stay natural. Take care, and God bless you.